If everything is normal, it can be ready for flying. During flying, pay attention to choose the wind side. How to throw out the fly correctly is very important for beginner. It's incorrect to throw it too high. It's also wrong to make it too low. It's alright like this. Attention! For beginner, please don't let the plane out of your view and just walk around the stand when you want to change direction. Also, please try your best to let it fly windward. When loading, please make it against the wind.